This is Classic Car Expo channel. In this video, I will showcase some of the most fashionable and highly coveted classic cars in America. The price of those classic cars range from $15,000 to $150,000. The question is, why should you consider owning an American classic car? It's because vintage cars have a special charm. Whether it is a classic Corvette or a Mustang, they possess a nearly universal appeal. So, if you are hesitant about purchasing that beautiful classic you have been admiring, here are 7 reasons why to take the plunge. 1. They increase in value over time. 2. You meet interesting people. 3. Caring for a classic car is like therapy. 4. Join the classic car show circuit, which means you can participate in the show, which is an exclusive experience. 5. Classic cars bring joy and happiness. For some people, seeing a classic car can make people smile and make their heart race. Driving one can spread the happiness. 6. Because you love the car.